Hello, my dear. Today is the very special day. Today is the holiday. For some of you, it may be a little bit surprised because the Easter in some countries already happened 1 month ago. But in some countries, the Easter is today. And it is very holy holiday, and many people they come to remember their ancestors, to do some special ritual traditions. And also it is very important day when we can really help, to share our love, to help somebody who needs our help. And today, for example, I have seen such situation. When I came to some market, I saw a very old lady. She was not very tall, she was like about this level. She was about 80, 85 years old. And I saw that she's very poor. She had very old dress on her, and I understood that she really needs some support, some help. She came to different shelter. She came to different part of the store to see what she is able to buy because she didn't have enough money. And I noticed that several times she came to the shelter where were some sweets, and she made such a face of sorrow and not happy because she couldn't she couldn't afford herself to buy it. And I felt that this is the possibility which is given to me by spirits to help this lady, and it was like a signal from the heaven. And I came to her and asked, would you mind if I'll help you? I want to give a gift for you. Would I please, can I please take care about you and to buy it for you? She was very surprised. She didn't believe me for the first look. But after I started to explain to her, because today is the holiday, I want just to do something good for you, and I feel that your heart is very beautiful, but can I help you, please? And she agreed. Okay, she told, okay. But when we came closer to the cashier and I take my card to pay, she suddenly looked at me with the big eyes full of fear, and she told, no, please don't do it. Why? She told, I'm afraid. What are you afraid of? She told, I don't know. Just I'm afraid. I don't want you to buy this. And I couldn't understand what's going on. And even I wanted to cry. And why? And then she explained, you know, there are many people who are not kind, so kind as you are. And they made me a lot of bad things in this life. And I do not believe people. That's why I'm afraid. I don't know if you are doing because you really want to help me or you want something else from me. And I saw this big fear inside her eyes. And I told, no, please, believe me. In this world there are people who really want to help, who really want to do something good. And it's not because of they want something from you, because they just want to share that they have. And I'm happy that she allowed me to do it. She accepted this gift, and I know that it was not just me. I was just a channel for her in this situation, the channel which helped her to receive back this trust to people, this trust to good things. And I propose all of you who are able, who can share, who have enough energy, material stuff, emotional power, just some words to support such people. They need your help.